Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today we'll be dealing with how to install Tomcat on Ubuntu EC2. So uh, for these, we're installing it on a separate EC2 instance. So we're just gonna go to launch instances, and this is a straightforward stuff. And name these Tomcat, and you want to go for Ubuntu, and make sure it's free tier eligible, but this time we'll be choosing Ubuntu Server 22.0, which is the free tier eligible version as well. And yeah, when you see this, just click on confirm changes, and then you want to leave it at T2 micro. And the class we'll be using is the key we'll be using is Ramsey for this class. And also, if you select existing uh, security group, if you are if you just created your AWS and the first instance you created was the one named Jenkins, so that will be Launch Wizard 1, which is if I go over here, you'll see launch wizard, different launch wizards. So launch wizard 1 will probably be the one that was created for port 8080. But for the last class, because if I go back to create security group, this is saying launch wizard 13. So the last one that I created, which is Jenkins, was launch wizard 12. So I'll just go over here and go for launch wizard 12. And if not, you can create another one again and give it 8080. So this storage, I'm going to increase to 20, and that is it. I'm going to launch my instance, and after launching the instance, I can connect to the instance from here. So I'll just go to connect to instance. This might take a while because of waiting for it to become live. So I'll click on connect instance from here, and I watch it do its thing till, yeah. So that means we have to wait a little bit. So let me just refresh this and find uh the Tomcat which is running. So let's see. Yeah, because this is still initializing. So we are going to wait for this initializing to be done. Okay, so we are able to connect, and from from now we'll first of all run the update, and let it take its course. So while the update is running, we will have to install OpenJDK, which is Java. We'll install Java on the machine as well. Remember, we are using Ubuntu 22, so we don't need to confirm the Java version. We know what we're already doing. And then we will have run another update to see if there's any packages that was missing. And then we would install Tomcat 9. The link to this blog is in the video. So you can be able to watch read up on the write up, and then after Tomcat is installed, we need to run these packages in there, and also we need to run up the web share packages as well. Web apps, sorry. And that is done. So the next thing is for us, we need to create a user in Tomcat. So this will open up a Tomcat configuration, which we will basically go into edit manually. So if this, all you have to do when you see this page, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom like this, and then press I on your computer. Letter I for indigo, I for igloo. So if you press I, it will take you to the insert tab, and then you press enter 2 times. Then you can make it, you press backspace to make it look okay, and then scroll up. You can only use the cursor of your arrow or the cursor of your mouse, not you cannot click anywhere with your mouse. So you need to copy all these all together, all this file, all this stuff in yellow all together, and then paste inside this space. So as soon as that is done, you press the escape button on your keyboard, press colon WQ exclamation to be able to save, and press enter. So when that is done, the next thing you need to do is that you need to restart Tomcat. Restart it, and then you need to check out the status to know if it is running or not. So now you can see our Tomcat is active and it's running. So the next thing for us to do is to confirm what we already have. You copy your public DNS or public IP, and then open a new tab in here and use colon 8080. When you run it, you should be able to see it works. So this, we are able to see, we are able to install our Tomcat, and we have it up and running. So thank you, and see you on the next video.